Hello, business communicators. Instructions for week 4. Okay, we enter coursework and scroll down. This week, week 4, we are covering chapter 4. Now, the first thing on your list, let's discuss. You have your first exam this week. Exam 1 covers chapters 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now before I get into the specifics, there is a study guide loaded right here in Exam Study Guides. That will give you an itemized list of everything to prepare for the test. Okay, let's go back to coursework. Now again, this test can be taken at your leisure. It is due Sunday at 11:55 p.m. as with the rest of your assignments. When you enter the exam, please be ready to take it. Okay, there is a code that you will enter listed right here. There is a 60-minute time limit on this exam. One attempt is granted. The test is worth 80 points. It is 40 multiple choice and true-false questions, 2 points each question, okay? So be ready when you complete this. 60 minutes, you get 1 attempt. Now, please know the test is open book. Much of the test is application. So use your notes, use your book. That is a-okay, because we're asking you to apply the content that we've been working on to the questions. So no proctoring required for this exam. I repeat, no proctoring required, but please note you only get 1 attempt and you have a 60-minute time limit. So plan accordingly when you are ready to go to take that. In addition, this week, we are covering chapter 4. So you are asked to read chapter 4, as well as watch the chapter talk and take the corresponding quiz. Additionally, you have your chapter 4 Applia assignment in MindTap. And then lastly, you have a Halloween letter rewrite. Now, please watch the chapter talk before you attempt the Halloween letter rewrite. I'm actually taking an actual letter sent to me as a parent from teachers and asking you to rewrite it, applying the learning from the week. So again, do not attempt the Halloween letter rewrite until you have watched the chapter talk. Okay, once you have done that, you will rewrite the letter in the forum, okay? Instructions are listed and the Halloween letter is right here. So you'll be responsible for a post, which is just simply the rewrite, applying these principles, and then 2 replies to your classmates. Okay, all coursework is due Sunday at 11:55 p.m. with the exception of the post, your actual first rewrite of the letter that is due Saturday at 11:55 p.m. Please be in touch with any questions. Thank you.